Today, Indratai is visiting a small village on Sarpanch Sir's request. She is going to brief villagers on digital payment, which is getting popular these days.
Friends, I am delighted to see your enthusiasm towards digital payments. Digital payment means you carry out financial transaction with other person or party electronically or digitally, without cash payments or any manual documentation, even while you are physically away from that person. We have discussed about smartphone digital payment options like UPI and mobile wallet. We have also discussed about the digital payment option USSD in case of a basic phone and unavailability of the internet. But what if there is no mobile phone and internet connectivity in a very remote place? And what if there is not even a single bank branch nearby? Can people use banking services in such a situation? Yes, in this kind of a situation also, people can use banking services with the help of AEPS, that is, Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. To use AEPS digital service, you need a bank account and Aadhaar card. Most important is that your Aadhaar should be linked with your bank account. If these two things are not available with you, you need to get them. People living in remote places do not have even a basic phone, internet access and a nearby bank branch. Government has built a Bank Mitra network to serve people in remote areas. Bank Mitra is a doorstep banking service in remote and rural areas of India. You need to get in touch with a Bank Mitra agent in your area and start using banking services. To use AEPS services, you need to identify Bank Mitra agent in your area. Share your bank account details like bank name, account number and Aadhaar card number with the Bank Mitra agent. Bank Mitra agent will help in completing bank-related formalities for various tasks. He will conduct biometric verification against Aadhaar card while completing bank transactions. Let's see which banking services are available under AEPS. You can check bank balance. You can withdraw cash from the bank. You can deposit money in the bank. You can transfer funds to the beneficiary whose bank account is linked with Aadhaar. You can pay bills, taxes, EMI, etc. You can use banking services seamlessly even in remote locations where basic infrastructure like a bank branch, internet, phone, etc. is not available to people.
Now let us check how much you have understood from the above seen. Question 1. Select from below options what you need to operate AEPS service. Option A, smartphone and internet. Option B, bank branch and Aadhaar card. Option C, bank account linked with Aadhaar. Answer. Option C. Question 2. Can you transfer money using AEPS to the beneficiary whose bank account is not linked with Aadhaar? Answer. No, beneficiary bank account number must be linked with Aadhaar. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.